video. Now I will say first about the specs. See the box. Then I will say about the specifications. Uh, it's 12.7 centimeter, 1 GB RAM and 3G ROM, example up to 32 GB, full HD, 180p. Then this is 4G LTE. Then Android 5.1, it can update up to 6 marshmallow. Then 5MP primary camera, LED flash, and 2 point selfie camera with LED flash. Then it comes with torchlight to 500 mAh battery power. Now let's open this. First of all, it comes with a phone and phone. See, this is the phone. It looks handy. In this they have put an written 4GB LT with volt, 1GB RAM and 2GB 2 loud sound, and upgrade up to 6 marshmallow. The back case is looking like metal, but actually it's plastic. Now let's what another accessory it comes with. It comes with a payment bill and then manual. See, these are manuals. Then another slot. It comes with charger and headphone. This is nice. Let's keep it aside. Now let's on the cell. Now I have installed all the apps in this. It's pretty good. It works fast. Now let's check the camera. Wait, the camera. Now let's check about the camera. Wow, it's pretty good. Wow. See, let's take on photo now. Now let's zoom in this. It's pretty good now. Camera is very good. Let's check the front camera now. Now front camera is also pretty good now. It comes with the LED flash also. The flash photo is also good. Now let's check the net speed. We on the net. Let's go to browser. The phone memory stands expand up to 32 GB, so phone space and is very good now. If you can have uncountable messages, contacts because of this 32 GB, and according to this price range, it's very comfortable, and it's also 4G volt. So now let's check the battery power. So far we have used up to 1 hour, but it's just chill, it does not get hot. And in that phone cover they have said it stands up to 200 hours. It's good. And so far games also this very good because of the 1 GB RAM. Then so far the good. So hope you like this video. Press like button and subscribe it.